my name is Jodi Jaffe. I'm the owner of Montgomery Animal Hospital along with my husband, Adam Jaffe. Been the owners for over 11 years. My husband's the veterinarian and I handle the business management side of the practice. My favorite part of the new office, actually I give full props to Paul because it was his idea entirely, and when you come into our new space we have a stone reception area that every client notices. It's a huge statement when you walk through the door and I love it. I found the sales process with BridgeWorks to be excellent. From the start, they gave me a 4 to 5 page detailed description of all the different expenses that we would incur along the way. I knew when payments were going to be due, and obviously within a project, you might come up with new things. Whenever anything was added to that, they would give me the cost prior to implementing that. I knew when it would be due. And there were no surprises along the way. So easy and efficient. We are extremely pleased with the process for our business and functionality within this new space. Yes, it was excellent and it works great. Our new office, in terms of how it functions prior to the other location, is night and day. The other location, surprisingly, was larger than this one, and this one's more efficient. Within the design, everything was well thought out. Almost like your kitchen and the function within your own kitchen and knowing how everything for flow, it's smooth and easy. So excellent over the old space. Design was critical for us, and we had numerous redraws to try and figure out, here's our space, it's a giant rectangle, how are we gonna make it work? They were amazing they would come with a drawing and we were almost ready to sign off on it, and then in the 11th hour I didn't feel good about something and they had no problem with, let's scrap it and we'll start over and we're gonna sit with you until you're happy and feel good about it. And they had no problem with doing numerous redraws and really thinking about our needs and all the different facets that go into an operating animal hospital. And they were excellent at that, and that made a huge difference. The communication with BridgeWorks team members was very easy. There's several different ways that I was able to get in touch with them. Obviously by phone, texting was easy, and email. If I ever left them a voicemail, I would get a call back within the hour every single time. Any texts were responded to immediately. I worked with several of their team members. Each had a different role within the company, and everybody along the way, from Kevin, Paul, they were all outstanding in responding to me and taking my concerns or my questions seriously and getting it done. BridgeWorks has met all of our needs since we moved into the new space. Meaning that once we moved and opened our doors, we had a punch list as the final walkthrough, and they handled every single item. And they might have been, there wasn't a lot, I don't mean to make it sound like that, but I even pointed out, they're like, show us everything. And I'm like, well, do you want to see like these little tiny, like nothing that we would just expect, a little nick, a little, every single one, they just walked through and said, yep, we got it, yep, we got it. And then came back and took care of all of it. I actually have already recommended BridgeWorks to another colleague in the field, a veterinarian that is looking to open a new practice, and we absolutely highly recommended BridgeWorks to them already, and I would continue to recommend them.